Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reconnect your Nintendo Switch controllers back to your Nintendo Switch. So I had my Joy-Con controllers connected to my PC, and I was playing like emulator games, and I want to go and connect it to my Nintendo Switch. Now the easiest way to redo this is just simply go to it and then connect them physically, just like this. Boom, the left one's connected. The right one's connected, and now I can go up and down and move it again. So you can now remove them and then place it back in the dock, and I'll still be connected. So when this pops up, you can see I can move it around, and the light's connected here and here. So that is the easiest way to simply reconnect it. Now if you're still having troubles, you can go to the bottom and you can go to controllers right here. And then you can go to like pair new controllers, find controllers, sir. You can select this. This just tells you to reconnect it. So it's just that easy. Otherwise you can view other pairing methods right here. So there is a little sync button right here. If we hold this down, this will put the controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode or sync mode. And we should be able to see it pop up, and we should be able to reconnect it to the Switch that way as well. So it's just this little button right here. Close the screen and select change grip order. On the next screen, hold the sync button, okay? So this one's got to reconnect. So let's go to OK down here. And you can go to change grip order and hold down the sync button under this screen. And you should be able to reconnect your controller. Okay. Press the R button. Then we can press these buttons on the top now to reconnect. Boom. Boom. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.